Eva and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be talking, about constipation. Fun topic here, but I'm going to be giving you guys a really good meal plan for those of you out there who are suffering with some constipation. So before we get into the video, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss out on my videos. Alright, let's get started. I know for some people this can be a kind of like taboo topic and no one really wants to talk about it, but I think more so nowadays with YouTube, with TikTok, with all these social media platforms, people are just being more open and trying to help each other out. So I'm a girl trying to help you guys out. So if you guys suffer with constipation, or I know a lot of people suffer with gut health and different things like that, I do have a couple videos on my channel that can help you out, but this one specifically is all going to be about constipation. So if you don't know what constipation is, all that is when you're either having or both, having infrequent bowel movements, or if your stools are becoming difficult to pass through. Now, this can be a million different reasons why this might happen. You can be not consuming enough fiber or not consuming enough water. Maybe you're changing things around in your diet or in your typical routine. Now, if you're experiencing severe pain or blood in your stool or constipation that's been going on for, let's say, like a month or something like that, you should definitely contact your doctor. You should contact your doctor if you feel more comfortable regardless, just to make sure everything is okay. They might just tell you what I'm telling you, you know what I mean? Or there might be another issue, so just listen to your body and talk to whoever you feel you want to about it, or go listen to somebody like me for some extra help if you feel like it's not that serious just yet. Now, don't forget, something with constipation, you might not know you have it. You might just think, oh, this is normal for me. But if you're experiencing a ton of bloating or abdominal pain and things like that, that could also be associated with something like constipation too. So just, like I said, listen to your body. Now, I'm obviously a true believer in your diet, not a diet per se, but your diet, what you're putting into your body, and that if you're having different issues, different skin issues, different health issues, that I would always recommend looking at your diet first, what you're taking into your body and everything like that, and then going from there. So dietary fiber and getting some fluids into your system is going to be key here. Now, any doctor is going to tell you that as well if you go to them, not just a nutritionist or a dietitian. If you're experiencing something like that, these are ways that would help you. So if you're experiencing constipation and you already know in your head, like, okay, I need to increase my fiber, I need to be eating my beans, I need to be eating things like that to just help a girl out, help a guy out, just help me pass things through, then your fluids and your liquids go hand in hand, right? So you can't just be increasing all this fiber just to help yourself out and then what? You're just gonna give yourself an even bigger problem. You have to think of fiber as sort of like a sponge. So it needs liquid, it needs fluid to kind of move things around. And if you're just increasing and adding a bunch of fiber to your diet without any fluids or more fluids than you typically would, then you're not helping yourself out here. Now, there are some cases where, there's just too much of an obstruction and you need to take a laxative or something natural like that to help you. But typically what I would recommend you do is to just start off with increasing your fiber intake, or if you're not taking any at all or eating anything like that at all, and definitely increase your fluid. So be drinking at least 10 to 12 cups of water, glasses of water, whatever it is per day. Now it's time for the fun part, the meal plan. So now take this meal plan with a grain of salt. You guys are more than welcome to customize this to whatever kind of foods that you like. I will make sure to give you a variety, like if you don't like this, eat this, whatever. But you're definitely encouraged to try this out, add things in, substitute things in for what you like, and just personalize it to you. But this is just going to be kind of the skeleton, if you will, or the groundwork for a meal plan that would best suit you if you're somebody who frequently experiences constipation and this is something in your life that you're just like, I need a change, like I need to start looking at my diet and change things up a bit. And definitely let me know in the comment section below if you do try this out and it has helped you, or if you shared this with a friend and it has helped them. I'd really love to hear from you guys. Now, also, I know not everybody eats the same or eats the same times or has, breakfast, lunch, and dinner and whatever it is. Now, I do recommend that you at least have 3 meals a day. They don't have to be huge. You don't have to be super, super tiny. Just at least try and have, like a breakfast, lunch, and a dinner. You don't have to do your snacks and whatever, but at least try to do that. So for breakfast, a good option is going to be a high fiber cereal with some skim milk. Now this can be something like a shredded wheat or something that's more soft or something like that. It doesn't really matter, just look at the fiber content. Then I would say like a couple slices of bread, like a high fiber bread that you combine with like a peanut butter or an almond butter. I'm more of an almond butter person for sure. And then some fruit juice. You're getting nice fruit in the morning, some carbohydrates right in the morning. Now, I would recommend a fruit that maybe you juice yourself or you put it in the blender so you get that fiber from it and it's not just the liquid. But as long as you're having a juice, I will be happy. No soda. If you haven't seen it already, definitely make sure to check out my video on if zero sugar Coca-Cola is good for you or not. Coke Zero, good, not? I don't know, you have to check it out. And then you're more than welcome to have your, coffee mug or your tea or whatever it is in the morning too. And I know I'm not going to be like repetitive here, but of course, throughout this, make sure you're drinking your water too. So I'm not going to mention that with every like snack and meal and everything, but just make sure you're drinking your water. So if you're somebody who likes to snack or you're going to, be on a long drive to work or whatever it is, then this one is for you guys. So here you're going to want to have like an oat cake or something like that, or maybe some more rye bread if you didn't have the bread earlier in the morning, with some more fruit. You're going to get some more fiber in, some more carbs in, and of course some water. Then for lunch, we're going to do a nice sandwich. So you can grab some rye bread, you can have some cheese, and for your protein here, you can do some chicken, you can do tuna, ham, smoked salmon is good. It just depends on what you like on your sandwich. And for a little bit of a sauce or some moisture, maybe you want to add some tzatziki sauce. I have a recipe right up here, or you can just use a yogurt or something like that. Then you can add a yogurt here, like a lower sugar or fat yogurt. Maybe you don't want to add the yogurt to your sandwich. Maybe you want to just leave that plain and just have your cheese or something. Then you're going to have a yogurt on the side with a salad or something like that. Or again, you can go ahead and make like a yogurty dressing and add that to your salad. But we're going to be getting our fiber in with our greens and our salad here too. And then like mid-afternoon, I know some people still like to have their coffee before their dinner. Some people like to have it after dinner and dessert, whatever. So you can have your coffee or tea here again. And then we're going to have some more veggies. So you're going to want to have, your carrots here. Make sure like they're the raw carrots. Cucumber, celery, things like that. If you want to add in some hummus, you're more than welcome to do that. And then for dinner, you're going to want to have your protein, your starch. You're going to want to have a carb and your veggies. So we're going to have either a chicken, white fish, or like a lean meat. And for your carb, you're going to want to do something like brown rice or couscous, quinoa, or a whole wheat pasta or potato or something like that. And you can have some more mixed veggies here or another salad if you want on the side. Just if you decide to do a potato or something like that, I would recommend to keep the skin because there's going to be a ton of fiber in there too. And I know me personally, I like to eat the skin on a normal like russet type potato, like a white potato, and then when it's a sweet potato, I don't eat the skin because it's like tough, but that's just my personal preference. So if you guys don't typically eat the skin, I would recommend, eating it first if you're first trying it out with like that kind of potato, just like easier. And water, 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 water. But that is it for my little quick, easy meal plan that is super versatile. You guys can, like I said, add, swap, change things around. Just make sure you're having a well-balanced meal and you're, of course, including a ton of fiber and a ton of liquid and water, whatever it is, you're gonna need it. And I hope I've helped some of you guys out there. Again, please let me know in the comment section below if this has helped you. I mean, don't do it for a day. You're gonna have to like consistently eat this way and, you know, make kind of like a lifestyle change, especially if this is something that you're continuously, you know, finding. A lot of these issues do have to do with your diet and the food choices that you're making. So if you can change that and feel better, then it's a double thumbs up. But that is all I have for this video today, you guys. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something new. If you did like it, make sure to give this video a nice thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little bell so you don't miss none of my videos. And share this video with anybody that might be having some stomach issues but you don't know how to tell them, or they've been asking you about it, or just share it for somebody that might just be too embarrassed to talk about it themselves. And as always, if you want to get my exclusive nutrition tips, healthy food recommendations, and delicious recipes right to your inbox, then make sure to head over to my description box, click the link, and join the fam. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.